Okay, after making a new ISO files for Windows installation or for HP ElitePad G1, and now we can use our micro USB reader, or I use this modem to make a new installer like this. And we have to insert this micro SD. I use this micro SD with 80 GB. I'm sorry, 8 GB. Okay, insert first here, and we will insert it into USB hub on PC or laptop, and then insert here. Okay, like that. Okay, so we will go to make new installer. Okay, the USB driver or USB drive is inserted correctly. Here, USB driver. Click here. Check it first. This is empty. Okay, properties. Use space is like that, and free space is 7 GB. Okay, we back to ISO file. Here we will insert this ISO file to micro SD, and I use RUFUS for make it. Click with administrator. Here, run as administrator, and then click no. Here, no label is the micro SD is root, no label here. Okay, and then over here, disk or ISO image, please select here. Okay, we will select, and we go to a folder, make micro SD. Okay, new ISO, and then we choose this one and open it, and then we choose MBR GPT UEFI on non-GSM. Okay, and then we go to FAT32 default, and then we go to start. Okay, it will show you warning: all data on device no label age blah 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 will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, click OK. Okay, deleting partition, and we will wait for a minute, I think. And it depends on your PC. I mean your specifications, PC specifications. Okay, like that. Okay, the process is finished, and we can close it, and then we go to check it first. Okay, was install it correctly. and then we can close it, and we can eject the USB or micro SD safely here. Eject, and then eject too. Okay, we have to unblock first, and then we use this micro SD to install new Windows, clearly in our old HP ElitePad Windows tablet. And now I want to install Windows with this micro SD for smartphone. Okay, first I will put this micro SD to this place here. Okay, like this, and then we just set up for installing Windows. We have to open or power on by click this toggle and this up down, and this toggle for volume, and this toggle like this, click, and then this part here, okay, so we have to entering this setup for installation, and we choose boot option and enable secure boot. This is look like this. We have to choose this one for optioning to boot from micro SD. This is micro SD here, okay. Here we will check the touchscreen, it works or not. I choose English United, and then time and currency I choose Indonesia. Okay, Indonesia. Yes, okay. The touchscreen is work great. Okay, I choose next and install now, and then we have to wait for several time or several seconds maybe. We wait for a moment, and now the screen is so notification like this, and we have to choose this one. I accept the license term, and then click next, and I will choose 2.1 from them, custom install Windows only, like this. We have to make a new partition for this installation. Okay, new, and then we click apply. To ensure that all Windows features work perfect or work correctly, Windows may create additional partition for system file. Okay, we have to wait for a moment, and then a new partition will be made. or will be made, I mean. Sorry, because of I speak with bahasa, so my English is not fluent, so I am so sorry about it, but I will do my best for English if I can. Okay, this is a new partition for installation or for Windows installation. So I have to choose drive 0 partition 4, and then I click next, and installing Windows is working. This is copying Windows files, still in 0%, and then we have to wait it until finish. Now getting files ready for installation. Getting files ready for installation. Focus and make it more focused. Okay, and then Windows need restart to continue restarting in 3 seconds. I think this device is being installed drivers maybe, so it takes more time. Okay, in general installations without using micro SD, this screen, I mean this touch screen in this screen is not work. So we will check together what the touch screen is work or not. Okay, like this. Wow, okay, this successful. India, Indonesia, Iceland, Hungary, Hong Kong. I choose Indonesia, and then I choose yes. Just a moment again. The touch screen is work. It's very good. And then, oh wow, yes, okay, the installation is a success. And let's check now for touchscreen. Yes, touchscreen is work great, like this. Okay, this is touchscreen is working. And then Wi-Fi is work, and then sound, okay, is work. Can you could you hear the sound? I mean the sound is not loudly. Okay, and then for Bluetooth, and then for USB, this is for micro SD, yeah, micro SD, and then for graphic drivers. All of drivers was installed perfectly for this installation.